You've seen the headlines. AI agents accessing sensitive data, security breaches caused by exposed credentials, organizations struggling after giving AI systems too much access. Now ask yourself, would you trust an AI agent running on your laptop with access to your passwords, API keys, cloud accounts, and sensitive company data? One mistake, one malicious prompt, one vulnerable tool. That's all it takes. In GripoFlow, we've built a new approach to solve this problem, and we call it a GripoFlow sandbox. Let's explore how GripoFlow Sandbox provides a safer way to run AI. Let me show you how you can create a sandbox with just few clicks. Now go to the Sandbox tab and click Create Sandbox. A form will open with 4 steps. In step 1, enter the basic details, sandbox name, description. Select Custom as a type. Bash as a language. Set time limit to 200, choose Docker as backend, and worker limit to 1. In step 2, configure the image, select Custom, enter Hermes, choose Hermes image, choose Hermes tags, and submit. In step 3, select the RAM and CPU limit and security options as shown on the screen. Next, enable SSH to true. This is important, and you will need this option to connect to the sandbox. Configure logs, max files, 2, size, 1. Then click Create Sandbox. As you can see, the sandbox is currently running and ready to execute tasks. Once the sandbox is ready, you can connect sandbox in 2 different ways. From the list, find the already created Hermes sandbox and click the terminal icon in front of it. Set up Hermes quickly. As you can see, the sandbox is now connected with Hermes. Type Hermes in the terminal. To confirm everything is working correctly, you can run a simple instruction and see the response. Now here's something powerful: you are not limited to the GripoFlow environment. With GripoFlow, you can connect your sandbox directly with VS Code and work in a familiar development environment while everything still runs securely inside the sandbox. And this is where Hermes become more powerful. Inside VS Code, Hermes as an intelligent AI coding assistant that works within your sandbox context. It helps you write code, debug issues, and understand your project structure in real time. But the real advantage is this: your workflow becomes the training ground, but all within the control environment without touching the your computer personal file. As you run commands, execute workflows, and interact with your sandbox, Hermes learns from your project patterns, file structure, and execution behavior. Over time, it adapts to your development style, making its suggestions more relevant, more contextual, and more accurate. This means your AI is not just assisting you, it is continuously improving based on how trained it. But the real power comes next. Sandboxes are not isolated anymore. In GripoFlow's workflow, you can use multiple sandboxes together, and they can even interact with each other. There are hundreds of ways to use sandboxes. In this example, we'll use a sandbox to scan JavaScript and NPM packages for security vulnerabilities. After the scan is complete, a report will be created automatically and sent by email. This helps teams find security issues early and fix them before attackers can take advantage of them. Now, the sandbox are not single unit, but can be connected to broader workflow. And for first time, we can process the data from one AI agent like OpenCode to pass this data to Hermes to process further in the workflow. Click Run, and the workflow will fetch packages from GitHub using OpenCode Sandbox, review vulnerabilities using Hermes Sandbox, generate a complete security report using Codex Sandbox automatically, send the report via email. As you can see, the JavaScript package vulnerability report has been successfully sent to the configured email address. You can also monitor every step of the workflow by opening the execution section, where all activity logs, outputs, and errors are available in real time. As you've seen, GripoFlow simplifies the creation of secure sandboxes for running your AI agents. It eliminates security risks by providing a completely isolated and controlled environment, protecting your main system from potential threats. GripoFlow allows your agents to safely interact within their allocated space without directly affecting your computer's settings or accessing your local files. This containment is crucial for robust testing and development without compromising stability or privacy. With GripoFlow, you can easily manage all sandboxes from one simple dashboard. You can create new sandboxes with the settings you need and control what they can do. It also helps you quickly scale and run more agent environments whenever required. Experience the confidence that comes with developing and deploying AI agents in a fundamentally secure environment. Try GripoFlow today and take control of your AI workflow. Thank you for watching.